I was going to ask you, what is it that you think is great about the Glock? What would be the selling points to buy a Glock? What is good about the Glock, and why do people buy them? And do you think it is a top-notch gun to buy, and why?
Well, everybody likes a different thing. I love Glocks. I've got my Glock 19 on as we speak at this moment. Not everybody likes them. I know Mark doesn't care for them. They are a bit boxy in the grip. They're a striker fire, and of course, right now California has outlawed them as of I think April 1st. So of course that's going to
reliability and great marketing.
Simple to break down, easy to take apart and clean. I find very little wrong with a Glock.